Resilient celebration. Bemidji Water Carnival triumphs over storm challenges to mark 81 years of tradition. By Frankie McLister, reporter. Updated on July 2, 2025, 10:50 p.m. CDT, CBS, Minnesota. In the face of adversity, the hardy spirit of Bemidji, Minnesota shines bright as the town comes together to celebrate the revered Water Carnival amidst recovery efforts. Approximately a week and a half ago, Bemidji found itself reeling from an intense storm encompassing straight-line winds exceeding 100 miles per hour. The force of nature carved a path across northern Minnesota, leaving Mayor Jorge Prince to describe it as akin to a land hurricane. The aftermath was daunting. An estimated 9 million trees were reported down, a testament to the storm's immense power. Yet, amidst these challenges, the spirit of community and celebration refused to waver. The 81st Annual Water Carnival, an enduring tradition, kicks off on Wednesday evening with a dazzling fireworks display. Eva Fisher, a dedicated organizer from the Bemidji Jaycees, emphasizes the importance of holding the event despite the obstacles presented by the storm. This tradition has been ongoing for 81 years, Fisher shared with WCCO. There was never a question of canceling or relocating the festival. Even though we discovered the fireworks site had no power only this morning, our excitement for the event remains undiminished. It's a welcome break from the ongoing cleanup work. Businesses are also adjusting to the new normal. The Dairy Queen in Bemidji posted on Facebook to assure residents and visitors that they are ready to serve upon their reopening. Bemidji may look different right now, but we are committed to welcoming everyone back into our community, Mayor Prince reaffirmed. As Bemidji recovers, the town's officials and residents are relying on support from across Minnesota and neighboring states. Bemidji needs you, and Bemidji needs the continued support from Minnesota and surrounding states, emphasized Josh Pearson from Visit Bemidji. The Water Carnival will continue until Sunday. For more details about the festivities, click here. And if you're looking for a way to contribute, Mayor Prince recommends supporting the United Way of Bemidji area, as the funds raised will remain within the local community. What do you think about holding such a long-standing tradition, even in the face of a natural disaster? Do you believe it's essential to keep traditions going, or should the focus always be on complete recovery first? Share your thoughts in the comments below.